ADA or Cardano price prediction. In the last video, I gave you this call right here for a short, basically 9:30 a.m. Into a long from the liquidation area. We managed to get a very good long. Yes, it pumped like 3 times above our target to the 50 EMA, just like it did on Cookie and on other coins, but this does not happen that often. The view up is just more probable, obviously. By the way, this video is no financial advice. So right now, the question is what will happen now? And we basically have a few scenarios, especially from this point onward, but in general as well. First of all, we are looking for a massive liquidation area, and this is it. It is the 80 cents to from 80 cents to 80 cents and a half. This is basically the area we're looking to get into, and from that area we are interested in taking longs. Primarily today I'm interested in taking longs because I'm long biased based on macro things that I've analyzed. So I'm interested in a few things that I'll talk about briefly in a second as well. How are meme coins? We've got two meme coins. We've got Mumu and Lumu. We are up 260 grand on meme coins in general. On VOOX, 30 grand on this new wallet. If you go to Max, it's a wallet that started from scratch. It's a challenge wallet. After I got hacked, it says 30 grand. So if you want to follow every single trade I do, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my signals chat. My meme coin trades exclusively, my DEX trades are there only. Well, as you can see, we just took profit on Zero Bro and longed Cookie. We also took profit on AOT, H-Bar, IT is a meme coin. So yeah, and also in the link in the description down below, I'll have a link to my course. I wanted to make it super accessible. I know people are charging like $700 for a course. I made mine super cheap. Goes over my favorite patterns to trade, token cycles, how to identify whales, footsteps, and so on. And also right now I'm switching from Mexi to BloFin. BloFin are just too good to be true compared to Mexi. Mexi have low fees, yes, but they have a lot of privacy and security issues that I don't want to go over right now, but because I don't want to get sued, but I don't trust Mexi right now. I'm using BloFin, and if you want to make the switch with me as well, there's a link in the description below to also claim $300 worth of bonuses. So right now, and we have a special surprise from BloFin as well. If you see the description, we're definitely below view up. So yeah, we're interested in one more downturn, and as soon as shorts, I'll tap it down. Shorts closing means we enter. So I'll have it here so we can see it later, but that's basically it. I'll make another Cardano video tomorrow if this video hits 10 likes. So see you then. Bye.